Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is a proof of $3.90 I got from hacking the Phrasekey of trustwallet. You can do this without any investment. If you want to know how I did it, please watch this video to the end and do not skip any part. Okay guys, now open your Chrome and type in Binance transaction hash. As you can see, I've circled it right there, Binance transaction hash. You search for it on your Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, you can use another browser. So once you're in, as you can see, okay, you scroll up, yeah, scroll up, yeah, scroll up. Okay, then you copy the one that says to TO2, yeah, copy it. Yeah, once you copy that, you copy it. Once you have successfully copied it, you go back home, then you open your Trust Wallet. You look for the Trust Wallet app and open it. Once you open the Trust Wallet app, okay, once you have opened Trust Wallet, now click on Settings. Yeah, then Wallets. Once you click on Wallet, click on the plus button. Click on the plus button. Yeah, once you click on it, you click on I have your wallet. Then select Binance Smart Chain Network. Once you select it, yeah, select Binance Smart Chain. You fill in the necessary details. This black interface isn't my fault. It is Trust Wallet fault. They won't allow me to show you guys how to do it. But if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll show you how you do it. This is not my fault, it is Trust Wallet's fault. It's supposed to show something. So once you fill in the necessary info, as you can see right now, a new wallet is showing. Okay, so you're gonna refresh. As you can see right now, I've gotten the $3.90 for free. As you can see, I've gotten it. No issues. Thanks for watching.